viewers, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to get Bell Fibe on Samsung TV. So let's get started. The method number 1 is you can connect the Bell Fibe TV box to your Samsung TV using an HDMI cable. Then connect the power supply to the box and plug it into an outlet. After that, turn on your TV and use your Samsung remote to select the correct HDMI input source and you are set to go. Now, the second method is using a streaming device. You can use Bell Streamer. This is the most direct method as the Fibe TV app is supported. Then download the Fibe TV application from the Amazon App Store if you are an iPhone user and Google Play Store on your device if you are an Android user. Then connect the streaming device to your Samsung TV with an HDMI cable and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Google Play or Amazon App Store and search for Fibe TV to install it. Once done, you are ready to go. You can use screen mirroring method. If the Fibe TV application is not available on your Samsung TV, you can mirror your phone or tablet screen to the TV. Ensure both your mobile device and your Samsung TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Use the screen mirroring feature on your mobile device to cast the Fibe TV app to the TV. And that's all about Fibe TV connection to your Samsung. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.